honorable judges, ladies and gentlemen, today I stand before you to discuss an issue that has affected countless lives across the world. The issue is bullying. But before I start, I want to introduce myself. My name is Andreas Firnando. Bullying is an immoral and unacceptable act that can take many forms: physical, verbal, or even digital. It inflicts physical pain, emotional suffering, and can leave deep, long-lasting scars on the victim. In our schools, workplaces, and communities, it is our collective responsibility to ensure that bullying is eradicated, creating a safe and nurturing environment for everyone. Bullying is not just a harmless part of growing up. It is a serious problem that has a severe consequence. Research has shown that victims of bullying are at a higher risk of developing mental health issues such as depression, anxiety, and, in extreme cases, even suicidal tendencies. The psychological damage caused by bullying can linger for years, affecting a person's self-esteem, academic performance, and overall quality of life. But wait, there is another form of bullying. It's cyberbullying, that in particular has become increasingly prevalent in our digital age. The anonymity of the internet emboldens bullies, making it easier for them to harass their victim without facing immediate consequences. This can make the victim feel even more isolated and helpless. We must all take an active role in preventing bullying. This starts with education and awareness. Parents and teachers must work together to educate children about the harmful effect of bullying and the importance of kindness and empathy. It is essential to foster an environment where children feel safe to speak up about their experience without fear of retribution. Schools should implement comprehensive anti-bullying programs that teach students about the impact of their actions. It is also essential to address the root causes of bullying. Often, bullies themselves are struggling with their own issues, such as low self-esteem, problems at home, or a lack of positive role models. By addressing these underlying issues and providing support to those at risk of becoming bullies, we can help break the cycle of bullying. Intervention programs that focus on building self-esteem, teaching conflict resolution skills, and promoting positive behaviors can be effective in reducing bullying incidents. Let us commit ourselves to creating a world where bullying is no longer tolerated. Every small step we take toward this goal contributes to a fairer, safer, and more compassionate society. Let us be vigilant, speak out against bullying when we see it, and support those who are suffering. Together, we can create an environment where everyone feels valued, loved, and free from fear and suffering. By working together, we can ensure that everyone has the opportunity to grow and thrive in a safe and supportive environment. Let us take a stance against bullying and make a positive difference in the life of those around us. I think that's all I can say from this speech, and I hope you can understand about what I say. Thank you very much.